what is frequency medicine in layman's terms? What does that even mean?
Yes. Okay. So I explain frequency medicine like this. Every down to the smallest level, everything vibrates. And so everything carries its own unique frequency or vibration. This is like its own unique signal. So your bone vibrates differently than, your liver cell, differently than your heart cell, differently than a parasite would or a virus. Even a virus has a frequency. Everything has its own frequency. And so your body is constantly monitoring all of the different frequencies that are going on in your body and what is harmonious and what is dysfunctional. And when there's dysfunctional, even they can measure the frequency of a cancer cell. That has a different frequency than a healthy cell or like a stem cell. And so we can look at these different frequencies and see, okay, which ones are harmonious and then which ones are dysfunctional. And then how does your body specifically want to heal or harmonize the dysfunctional frequencies? And that's kind of where frequency medicine comes in. And so what I do is I tell people, I'm like, I basically frequency match. I find what the frequencies that are off, the ones that are, dysfunctional, maybe harmful. And then I figure out, okay, what frequencies of things, right? Because supplements carry frequency. Everything carries a frequency. Supplements carry frequencies. You can act like light carries frequency. So you can use light therapy. You can use sound therapy. You can use supplements. You can use emotional work because vibration, words carry frequency. And so you can figure out which frequencies are now going to cancel out the negative one or harmonize it so that your body ultimately can heal. Because that's all I do. I say I'm a professional roadblock remover. I don't really do anything fancy. All I do is remove the roadblocks from your body so that your body can heal naturally.
And the body's a miracle. That's the thing. You're just taking out the roadblocks.
Exactly.
And when you're talking about everything has its own frequency, this is why devices like the biocharger or the Kiwi or the Skio machine, which was what essentially was what I was introduced to when I was at my rock bottom, and my practitioner was telling me things about me that no one knew, because everything has that frequency. And so it matches that frequency to disarm it, like you're saying, or harmonize it within your body. And as we're in this world of all these different viruses going on and parasites, and every little thing has its own frequency, and they're living inside of you, and we want to get some of them out. This is definitely something that is